Welcome, my friends, to a new day and a new video. Thank you for your interaction in the previous videos and sharing them with your friends today. The recipe is one of the softest and most delicious recipes for soft, lush bread. You will be amazed, my friends, by its delicious taste. This is one of my grandmother Alta's recipes in the German countryside. At the beginning of the recipe, we need 175 ml of warm milk and add to it 8 grams of yeast. Then we add 1 egg and 60 grams of sugar, and we mix the ingredients together. Then we add 400 grams of flour and 3 grams of salt, and we start kneading until the dough holds together. After that, we add 35 grams of butter, and the butter must be at room temperature. Then we knead for 10 minutes until the dough becomes smooth. My friends, you can also use a kneading machine and the result will also be good. This bread is delicious with butter and jam. After the kneading process is finished, we put the dough in a bowl and knead it for 55 minutes until it doubles in size. I will be very happy when you write to me. Comment from which country you are watching it and write your opinions about its recipes, whether positive or negative. This is something that interests me. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video with friends. This is something that helps me grow the channel. After the dough has doubled in size and become fermented, we cut the dough into 12 pieces and form the pieces into small balls. My friends, you saw how the dough became very soft. My grandmother always makes this bread on holidays and when family members come to visit her, and everyone is delighted with its delicious taste. Then, after we finish forming the dough balls, we roll out the dough ball directly without waiting, and we shape it. As you saw, this year is almost here. In the end, my friends, celebrations, decorations, and lights everywhere. This thing is beautiful, and the children are very happy. The holiday from school has begun, and my family and I are preparing for my brother to come to visit us with his family. I have not seen him for 2 years, and I miss him very much, and my children are having a lot of fun with his children. I hope that next year will be full of happy surprises for me and to you. My friends, share with me in the comments what you will do for the holiday and how the end of this year will be with you. An important note, my friends, is that the dough is very easy to work with, and this thing is due to the softness of the dough and the method of kneading correctly, and that the ingredients are correct. After completing the formation of the dough balls into rolls, we bring a mold with a length of 30 cm and its width is 20 cm. After that, we cover the dough for 40 minutes until it ferments and doubles in size. At this time, we can take something hot in this extreme cold of this year. Then we bring 1 egg and a spoonful of milk and whisk it. Then we spread the bread with this mixture. Look, my friends, I love this bread. It is thin and delicious. During the baking stage, we need a temperature of 175 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Write to me in the comments if you like the recipe, my friends. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell button, and share the video with your friends. Thank you for following. I wish you well. Have a nice day. I hope you stay healthy. See you in a new recipe and a new video. Bye.